Hey there, fellow adventurers. Are you dreaming of ancient wonders and dazzling deserts? Egypt's magic is calling, and getting there might be easier than you think. Let's unravel the mystery of obtaining an Egyptian visa on arrival so you can spend less time planning and more time exploring. Imagine yourself cruising down the Nile, the sun setting behind majestic pyramids, or perhaps you envision haggling for treasures in a bustling souk. With a visa on arrival, that dream Egyptian adventure is within easy reach. It's like a golden ticket to a land steeped in history and wonder. Whether you're a history buff captivated by ancient tombs or a sun seeker craving the Red Sea's turquoise waters, Egypt has something extraordinary to offer. So let's dive in and get you prepped for your unforgettable Egyptian escape. Before you pack your bags and grab your passport, let's see if you qualify for the convenient visa on arrival option. Good news, Globetrotters! Egypt warmly welcomes citizens from many countries with this hassle-free process. Are you from the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, or New Zealand? You're in luck. Your passport grants you access to this convenient visa upon arrival. Citizens of most European Union countries can also breathe a sigh of relief. You're covered too. Don't fret if your country isn't on the list just yet. Egypt is always expanding its welcome mat. It's best to check with the Egyptian embassy or consulate in your home country for the most up-to-date visa information. They're there to help make your journey as smooth as possible. Picture this. You've just landed in Cairo, the air buzzing with excitement. Now let's ensure a seamless transition through immigration with these essential documents. Don't worry, it's a simple checklist. First things first, your passport is your golden ticket. Make sure it's valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay in Egypt. Nobody wants their adventure cut short due to an expired passport. Next up, let's talk about proof of onward travel. Having a return ticket or an onward ticket to another destination assures the Egyptian authorities that you're just passing through on your grand adventure. Finally, while not always mandatory, it's wise to have proof of accommodation, such as hotel reservations, handy. This shows you have a comfortable and safe place to rest after your daily explorations. Now, you're all set for a smooth entry. Congratulations, you've touched down in the land of the pharaohs. Excitement hangs in the air, and you're eager to embark on your Egyptian adventure. Don't worry, obtaining your visa on arrival is a breeze. Just follow these simple steps. Upon arrival at major Egyptian airports like Cairo, Alexandria, Hurghada, or Sharm el-Sheikh, you'll find clearly marked bank kiosks or counters dedicated to visa issuance. Keep an eye out for signs that say Visa on arrival, or simply approach an airport staff member for guidance. Once you've located the designated area, join the queue and patiently await your turn. These lines usually move quite swiftly, so you'll be on your way to exploring ancient pyramids and bustling souks in no time. Remember, patience is key, and a friendly smile goes a long way. The airport staff is there to assist you, so don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have. Now you're one step closer to unlocking the wonders of Egypt. Section 5, Currency Check Costs and Payment Methods. Let's talk about the cost of this golden ticket to adventure your Egyptian visa on arrival. For most nationalities, the visa fee is a reasonable $25 USD. It's a small price to pay for an experience of a lifetime, right? Now let's talk about payment methods. While some airports might accept Egyptian pounds, it's always best to come prepared with US dollars. Having the exact amount in crisp new bills will save you any potential hassles or delays. Credit cards are generally not accepted for visa on arrival payments, so it's essential to have enough cash on hand. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, especially when it comes to navigating a new country. With your payments sorted, you're well on your way to exploring the wonders that await. Section 6. How long can you stay and can you extend? So you've got your visa, you're ready to explore, but you're wondering just how long this Egyptian adventure can last. Well, the standard visa on arrival grants you a fantastic 30-day stay. That's plenty of time to wander through ancient temples, haggle in bustling souks, and soak up the vibrant culture. But what if 30 days aren't enough? What if you've fallen head over heels for Egypt's charm and want to extend your stay? No problem at all. You can easily apply for a visa extension at the Mogama Government Building in Cairo or other designated immigration offices throughout the country. Extending your visa gives you the freedom to delve deeper into this fascinating land, from the bustling streets of Cairo to the tranquil beaches of the Sinai Peninsula. So relax, embrace the adventure, and let Egypt work its magic on you. You never know, you might just find yourself wanting to stay a little longer. Section 7. Insider tips for a hassle-free visa experience. Ready for some insider tips to make your visa on arrival experience even smoother? Remember those crisp US dollar bills I mentioned earlier? Having the exact amount ready when you reach the counter will speed things up considerably, especially during peak arrival times. Speaking of peak times, if you're arriving on a busy day or during a popular holiday season, be prepared for a bit of a wait, but don't worry, the lines generally move quite efficiently. Just grab a snack, put on your favorite travel playlist, and embrace the anticipation of the adventure ahead. Lastly, remember that airport ATMs might not always be reliable, especially if you're arriving late at night or early in the morning. Having some local currency on hand for immediate expenses, like transportation or snacks, is always a smart move. Now you're fully equipped to breeze through the visa process. Section 8. Ready to explore ancient wonders. There you have it, your guide to unlocking Egypt's wonders with a visa on arrival. With your passport, a little patience, and these handy tips, you'll be strolling through ancient temples and soaking up the vibrant culture in no time. Remember, the world is full of incredible destinations just waiting to be explored, and Egypt is undoubtedly one of them. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through time and culture. Egypt's magic awaits, and with the convenience of a visa on arrival, your dream adventure is just a flight away. Happy travels, and may your journey be filled with awe-inspiring moments.